Cassey here, and welcome to my couch. We are gonna make one of the comfiest places in your home into a piece of workout equipment today, okay? I am serious. We are gonna tone your arms, your abs, your legs, your booty, everything while using your couch. I bet you haven't done a couch workout before, have you? Well, we're gonna get creative because in this quarantine, we've been working out with wine bottles, with couches, who knows what's next, but we're gonna make this super fun and we're gonna be super resourceful, okay, you guys? So, you've got 10 moves today. It's 1 minute on, 10 seconds off, and your 10 moves are squats, squat knee tuck abs, tricep dips, split lunge right, split lunge left, couch climbs, leg outs with pillow, couch taps, Russian twist, and we're gonna end with couch arm balance, which is kind of fun, kind of terrible at the same time. Let's go ahead and get started. I want you to sit up off of your couch. And if you don't have a couch, a chair will work, but just make sure that the chair is stable, okay? We don't want any accidents. Legs hip width apart, and press the heels into the floor. What you're gonna do is squat down, sit in your chair or couch, and lift the arms up. Down and up, very nice. Now the reason why I have your arms going up is so that we can get some shoulder mobility in, work the shoulders as well, and the flexibility. And lift, very good. So you're just sitting down, but then you have to get back up. You're sitting down, get back up, really pressing the heels into the floor, beautiful, back tall. Now you guys, you can totally watch your favorite Netflix show or a million of them while you're doing this workout, okay? Perfect for that. And for those of you who have not watched Tiger King yet, you better go watch Tiger King because seriously, we need to talk about it. Like, what? I'm not gonna spill any details because I hate it when people spoil it for me. It's like one of the worst things ever. So go watch it and we'll talk about it, okay? Because it's crazy. And lift, and down. Back tall, spine tall, one more. And lift, very good. Okay, now we're gonna do squats. We're gonna add some abs in there, a little bit of lower abs, okay? So check it out. You're gonna squat down, hands here, out and in. Lift, down, out and in. Lift, down, out and in. Beautiful, up, lower. Your heart rate will go up too. And you're not gonna bother your neighbors right now because you're nice and light on your feet. Up, down, boom, in, extend. You're doing so good, come on. Point. Out, in, and really tucking those abs. Beautiful, point your toes, down. You got it, up, lower, concentrate, lengthen those legs, yeah? You're feeling good? Working your legs, working the lower abs, working the booty all at the same time, and up, that's it. Okay, really good. Now, it's arm time. We're going into tricep dips. Now check it out, you guys. Hands right by your hips, okay? And don't bring your butt all the way out. Make sure it's scraping against the edge of your couch. You're going down, up, low, and lift. Boom, and up. Just like that. Elbows are tracking back, okay? I don't want them flaring out to the side. They're going all the way to the back. Low, up, down, and up. Boom, up. Beautiful. Keep going. Down, up. Is it burning yet? Make sure your booty is just scraping the edge of your couch, okay? You don't want it all the way out. It's gonna hurt your joints. I want you to work the triceps here, okay? Down and up. Boom, low. You got it. Down and up and low and lift. Keep breathing, you're doing so good. Who knew your couch could be a workout tool, right? And down and up. We're gonna get real creative during this quarantine, you guys, okay? Everything is useful in your house, everything. Come on, down and up. Give me one more, low and lift, and go ahead and bring yourself up. Okay, now, split lunge. Right leg is coming right here on top of the couch. And then you're gonna come down and lift, okay? I'm just adjusting right there so that just my ankle is on the edge of the couch. Down for 2 and lift for 2 and low, just like that. Keeping the spine nice and tall. You don't have to straighten this leg right here. Keep a slight bend that way. Woo! You're working those legs. Up, so good. Down. This actually feels a lot better than doing at the gym because my couch is so soft. It's like caressing and hugging my ankle. Good. And up. You've got it. Low. Who's feeling it? Is this hard? Yeah. Down. Good. And up. Beautiful. Your legs look so good after this quarantine. You know, I'm gonna call it a quarantoned. Or down. Down and lift. Up. Beautiful. Stay strong now. One more, a low, a lift, and rest. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, same thing, other side. Bring this leg out. Make sure this leg in front is going down at a 90-degree angle, okay? Down for 2, and up, like that, nice and slow. I want you to feel the burn. Down, yes. Good stuff. And I hope your feet are clean, you guys. I have a white couch. It is very hard to keep clean, especially with the dog. I see little paw prints all the time that it kills me, but it's okay. Because it's good to have a dog. Just probably shouldn't have a white couch. Come on, we're down, down, a lift. Stay strong, legs, feeling it. Oh my goodness, down, and lift. Hi, George. You heard me talk about him, so he had to come up. Hey, Georgia, you want to work out with Mommy? Oh, yes. Come on, down. Oh, he left. It wasn't that exciting to work out with Mommy. Down and lift. Just one more. Oh my gosh. Oh! The legs are on fire, right? Now, next one, couch climbs. This is so fun. Well, I think it's fun. So you guys, hands on the edge by your couch, and all you're gonna do is up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. Finding the beat of the music. Hi, George. Up, low, low. So you can totally be on your knees here if you need to. Up, up. Oh, and this is Nolly. It's my sister's dog. Oh my God. Up, high. Up, down, down. You got it. Let's go. Come on. Up. Hi, Nolly. How you doing? Come on, you guys. Up. Really working those shoulders and the core. Lift, lift. Beautiful. Keep going. Breathing. Lift, lift, down. Alrighty. And up, down, down. Hold plank and bring the knees down. Good stuff. Okay, you guys. Now, we're gonna head into leg outs with pillow. So grab a pillow. George, Mommy has to grab the pillow. You're gonna place it right here between your legs, and all you're gonna do is extend and in, out and in, working the lower abs. Beautiful. Out, just like that, pointing the toes. Good. And then really drawing it in towards your chest. Extend. Whew. So the pillow acts as a weight right here as you extend and in. Lengthen, and they're not that heavy, but it makes a huge difference. Plus, by squeezing together, we work the lower abs. Hi, George. Oh, look at him, just resting, and then me working out on my couch. Oh, George's just loving me being home all the time during the quarantine. How are your pets doing? Are they loving it? Come on! Out and in. You got it, you guys. Okay, George, Mommy's gonna put this right back here. Hi, Nolly. Okay, now we're gonna go into couch taps. So kind of the same thing as before in the plank, but we're just going to tap it right here. So it's a tap, tap, boom, boom. Oh man, lots of action happening in front of me right now. Lift, lift. They are just so cute together. I love them. Up, and they're so different. One's fluffy and really like prim and proper, and one's like super sporty and slick. It's kind of like me and my sister. Up, and try to keep those hips as stable as you can. Tap, tap, boom, give it a whack, 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 so good, boom, you got it, boom. Hey guys, lifting, lifting, tap your couch, come on, like it's a drum, boom, boom, good. Let's go you guys, up, up, whew, almost there. Nice, and we're down. Okay, that was so good. Now we're gonna head into Russian twist. So we're back on the couch. If I can just find some space here, grab that pillow again, and go ahead and side to side, side to side, just like that. Really twisting the torso in every direction from right to left. Boom and boom. Hey dogs, is this interesting to you? Nolly seems to be very intrigued by my pillow movement. Whew. Da and da. Good stuff. Also, can you let me know in the comments what shows you're watching right now? I need to watch something new. Okay, already binged on the Tiger King, and now I don't know what to do. Just playing board games at home, working, making lots of TikToks. By the way, are you guys on TikTok? It's so addicting. It's so weird and like kind of like, reminds me of old YouTube, you know what I mean? Just so weird and pure sometimes. Come on, down, twist, twist, almost there. 3, 2, 1, really good. Okay, last move, you guys. This one's really hard. It's called couch arm balance. So you're gonna place your hands here in plank, place your legs back like so, okay? Then you're gonna place one hand behind your low back and switch. Here, back and plank, back and plank. Just like that, squeeze the core. Staying strong. And now if you wanna make it easier, then you bring your knees closer to the couch. Woo! You got it. The harder it is, it means there's less leg on the couch. I feel paws all over my feet right now. That's the most precious thing. Good. Tap. Boom. This is a full, total body workout, you guys. I want to see pictures of you working out on your couch or videos. Please tag me on Instagram if you're doing this workout, because I want to see how resourceful you're being right now. Come on. Just a couple more. Tap. Last one. Tap. Plank. And drop the knees. Woo! Yes! That was so good. Hey guys, wasn't that good? Wasn't that so good, you guys? They don't even care. Well, anyway, you guys, thank you so much for joining me for our total body couch workout. Again, send me your pictures or your videos. I totally want to see. And also, I hope you are staying safe and healthy during this highly unusual but historical time in our life. Keep yourselves busy. Nolls, wow, okay. Keep yourselves busy, be comfortable, but not too comfortable. Like, this is a time for you to learn how to do things you've always wanted to do. Maybe like do that one craft you've been waiting to do that DIY like kitchen project, like clean out your closets. I mean, honestly, you guys, cleaning is so therapeutic. It really is, but you have to be in the right mindset. Anyway, I also hope you are staying active and are moving every single day, because the movement keeps me alive and happy. And I like to start my day with an exercise and workout because it sets the tone for the day. Okay, so you guys, be safe, be healthy, and send this video to someone that you want to work out with, and maybe do the workout with them on Zoom or Google Hangout or House Party or whatever, but like, you can still be social while social distancing. Okay, I love you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!